I have it's a mixed media, kind of like a junk journal that I want to share with you. This one is all kind of got on the theme of birds. Find joy in the little things. It has a little girl with the birds. It has a really nice tassel that has crochet tassel plus some beads and some charms. It's kind of done with a shabby chic look in the front. It has some little metal corners pieces. Just see up close. Has 3 birds coming across the front. It's got a little book for notations in it and a little pocket. There is space behind this pocket to put another tag if you'd like. I made these for spaces to be able to put photos. It's 1 o'clock somewhere with this birds. It's got coffee dyed papers. It's another tag. This bird picture right here comes from a vintage dress table dresser scarf kind of thing. It's kind of got I saved some of the vintage embroidery that was on it. Another bird picture. It says plans or dreams in the making, and then it says today I will. Kind of secretive writing areas. 2 tags. This is envelope, and it's got some different kinds of papers in it, talking about setting goals and do it now and bright ideas. Love bluebirds. They're my favorite. Love this quirky little bird's face. It says live your dream with passion. Still places for putting your photos. A bend in the road is not the end of the road unless you fail to make the turn. And so the adventure begins. All of these are tags in here. Well, that's just on the envelope. There could be another tag right here. Oh, this one goes in here. This was another vintage dresser scarf that had this embroidery on it. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. That was a tight fit. positive attitude may not solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort. You know, I'm working in my job I work, that's a very good saying. I am thankful for all those difficult people in my life. They have shown me exactly who I do not want to be. I thank you for watching.